Who knows?
I'm coming for ya.
Who knows? Who knows?
I'm coming for ya.
Who knows? Who knows?
I'm coming for ya.
Who knows? Who knows?
I gotta represent for myself, care less about what you think. I am a blue B-U-E, I gotta treat y'all like my enemies. Y'all some fakes, don't be scared, this is just my integrity. I hate people who be trying, testing, but don't want to see. Say we blood, and all that really matter was family. Where were you? Where have you been when I was out here struggling, hustling, doing whatever to get by? You were there, scavenging. Ho, this ain't Hollywood, don't be acting so surprised. Now that I'm back, listen to these words and just fucking die. Like how you discriminated, judge me before I did the crime. This some shit, we was family, was nothing but some lies. I don't really care, set it up, I can get wild. You is gonna get ya.
Who knows? Who knows? Who knows?
I'm coming for ya.
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 Who knows? Who knows?
I'm coming for ya. Who knows? Motherfucker.
Don't lady owe me to put some old bitches down. I've been the same motherfucker, watching how y'all duck under my father. Say your enemy can even be your friend. Put trust in family, especially in your own clan. He wants me to lead one day and be a success, to become the man, but what he just doesn't understand is I am successful by not giving a damn. Fuck the clan, they're just a bunch of hypocritical suckers. Don't give a fuck, he brings me from the family books. Fuck that shit anyways, y'all never care, can't even look. Now that my family is coming together, we got y'all shook. Here's some change, come back when you are no longer a crook. Catch you slipping like catfish, hanging from a hook. You me little bitches are about to get whooped. I ain't starting no fucking drama, cry baby, I ain't your mama. My mama been dead, my feelings buried along with her. You must be feeling sorry, no not yet, not until I hit you. Split your skull open like the letter Y figure. Get the picture, you can't escape, cause you is a fucking traitor. Gonna get you either way, you still a pussy ass nigga. Run and hide, but remember Boogie is gonna get ya.
I'm coming for ya. I'm coming for ya. I'm coming for ya.